Hello, dear investors. Welcome to another exciting video on our finance channel. Today we are going to talk about a topic that is on everyone's lips, Bitcoin and why it's going up. Before we dive into this exciting world of cryptocurrencies, let me remind you that I am not a financial advisor and this talk is for educational purposes only. Always do your own research and consult professionals before making any investments. Now, let's get down to business. Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency, has been making waves in the financial markets in recent years. But why is its price rising so much? Well, there are several factors that are contributing to this phenomenon. First, we must understand the concept of supply and demand. Bitcoin has a finite amount, with a total limit of 21 million coins. As more people and companies show interest in acquiring Bitcoin, demand increases. And since supply is limited, this inevitably leads to an increase in its price. It's the simple law of supply and demand in action. Now, what is driving this growing demand for Bitcoin? There are several factors at play here. One is the growing acceptance and adoption of Bitcoin as a legitimate way to store value and conduct transactions. Major companies such as Tesla and PayPal have announced that they will accept Bitcoin payments, which has further validated its use as a medium of exchange. Another important factor is the growing institutional adoption of Bitcoin. Large institutional investors, such as hedge funds and investment firms, are beginning to view Bitcoin as a legitimate store of value and a hedge against inflation. These large inflows of institutional capital are further driving demand and contributing to rising prices. In addition, we cannot ignore the role of macroeconomic and geopolitical events on the price of Bitcoin. Trade tensions between major economic powers, changes in central bank monetary policies and movements in the stock markets can have a significant impact on the price of Bitcoin. Investors often turn to Bitcoin as a safe haven in times of turbulence in traditional markets. We should also mention the role of speculation in the Bitcoin market. As with any volatile asset, there are investors who are entering the market in hopes of making quick profits. While speculation can temporarily contribute to price increases, it can also lead to extreme volatility and significant corrections. Now, what does all this mean for investors who are considering buying Bitcoin? Well, as I always say, the key is diversification and risk management. If you're thinking about investing in Bitcoin, make sure you do so as part of a diversified portfolio and only with the money you're willing to lose. Bitcoin is an extremely volatile asset and can experience sharp corrections in the short term. It is also important to keep in mind that the cryptocurrency market is relatively young and still evolving. There are regulatory, technological, and security risks to consider when investing in Bitcoin. It is crucial to stay informed and stay on top of developments in this ever-changing space. Well, that's it for today. I hope you found this talk useful and informative. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting financial content. See you next time.